Tired of hidden fees eating your international transfers? See exactly how much arrives with Wise's transfer calculator. No surprises. All right, here's the plan. I'll show you where to find the calculator on the homepage, how to enter your amount, and then how to read those instant results that show you exactly what's coming and going. So let's start by getting to the calculator. Now, the great thing about Wise is they don't hide this tool. You don't have to sign in or start a transfer just to get a quote. Head over to the Wise homepage and just start scrolling down. You're looking for a section that usually says something like Send Money, with two big input fields right next to each other. One is for the amount you're sending, and the other automatically shows what the recipient gets. That's your transfer calculator right there, front and center. It's the first thing I always look for because it cuts through all the guesswork. Now, type in the amount you want to send. Click into that first box, the one labeled You Send, and type in your number. Let's say you want to send $500 US. Just type 500. And here's the really important part. Watch what happens next. The moment you hit that number, the calculator springs to life. You don't have to click a Calculate button. It's all live right in front of you. I've tested this dozens of times with different amounts, and it's always instantaneous. So just put your number in and wait just a second. Watch as the calculator instantly shows the converted amount. So there it is. The right-hand field, labeled Recipient Gets, updates in real time. For our $500 US headed to Great Britain, it might show something like 400 pounds. Now, that's your expected landing amount. But this is where the transparency really kicks in. That's not a random number. It's literally the mid-market exchange rate applied right there. No padding, no markup. It's the same rate you'd see if you Googled currency exchange rate. And that's the whole point of Wise. You're getting the real deal. Notice the rate and fee breakdown below. Right under those two main boxes, you'll see a smaller line of text. This is your breakdown. It'll say something like exchange rate, $1.25 to £1. And then right next to it, fee, $4.30. They spell it all out. There are no buried percentages or hidden catches. That fee is the only cost. It's a tiny, flat fee based on the currency route you're using. And the exchange rate listed is the one they're actually using, which is the real market rate. In my experience, other services hide this part in a tiny pop-up or in the fine print. Not here. It's all right there in the open. You can change the amount anytime to see updated results. Maybe 400 pounds is a bit too much for what you need. Or maybe you want to try sending $1,000 to see how the fee changes. You can do that. Just go back into that first box and change the number. Every time you type a new digit, the entire computation shifts instantly. The new exchange rate, the adjusted fee, the new total for your recipient, it's all recalculated on the fly. So play around. Try a few different amounts. It costs you nothing to check, and it lets you find the sweet spot for your exact situation. Once satisfied, click to continue with the transfer. So after you've found your ideal amount and you've double-checked the rate and the fee and everything looks good, just click that big Continue button. Usually it's right below the calculator or off to the side. That'll take you into the actual transfer process, where you'll add recipient details and choose your payment method. But that first big question, how much will actually arrive, that's already answered. You know exactly where you stand, and that's really all there is to it. A few clicks, one typed number, and you go from guessing and worrying to knowing for sure. No more unexpected shortfalls at the last second. Just clear, honest numbers that tell you the complete story before you even commit a penny. Give it a try on your next transfer and see how much easier it feels. Thanks for watching.